The National Council of CBSE feels that the CBSE Class 12 board exams must be conducted even if it is delayed, probably even by using alternative examination patterns. The National Council of CBSE Schools urged the Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank to conduct the Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE Class 12 board examination even if it is delayed due to the COVID-19 pandemic situation, even as the demand for the cancellation of CBSE Class 12 board exams is growing. The National Council of CBSE Schools is of the opinion that the Class 12 pass certificate is the most important document considered for entry into various higher educational institutions. National Council of CBSE Schools Secretary General Indira Rajan said that the council feels that this exam has to be conducted even if it's delayed, probably even by using alternative examination patterns. Rajan also said that the decision to hold exams will resolve the anxiety of both the students and parents, as many of them are eagerly awaiting entry into good quality professional institutions. Meanwhile, schools affiliated with the CBSE are planning to hold another set of online practice tests for Class 12 students. Notably, summer vacations have started in schools, but a special schedule has been set by the CBSE affiliated schools for those students who are all set to appear in the CBSE Class 12 Board Exam 2021 to clear their doubts. Schools are planning to hold a test after the beginning of online classes after the summer vacation, and a test will be held in this regard. The schools took this decision after Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank did not make an announcement about the cancellation of CBSE Class 12 Board Exam 2021 following a meeting with the education secretaries of different states. The CBSE board exams were scheduled to begin on 4th of May but were postponed because of the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic. The Education Ministry said that to conduct the board exams for Class 12, the situation will be reviewed on 1st of June 2021 by the board, and thereafter decisions will be taken in this regard. Bureau Report, Halabol.